Hey friends, if you wish to change the date and time format in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side and select date and time. Okay, there is something called as change the date and time format. Now, why does it matter? It matters because the date and time format is different for different countries. For example, in the United States, it's MMDDYYYY, and in India, it's DDMMYYYY. So you can choose any of these date formats. Okay, you can choose the one where you have the month before, you can have or choose the one where you have the day before, or you can choose the long format, or you can choose the short format, or you can change it from the 24-hour clock to the normal clock, the 12-hour clock, and vice versa. Or you can change the first day of the week from Monday to something else, or you can change it from Gregorian calendar to something else if you have the option for that. So you can choose your format accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.